Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to schedule posts on Instagram. So for you to do this, you have to use an app called Business Suite. This helps you to link your Facebook page and your Instagram page. And for you to be able to schedule posts, it has to post on both Facebook and Instagram. So how do you schedule your post on Instagram? So below you click on the more icon, then you click on settings. On the Instagram section, you make sure it's connected to your Instagram page. So after doing that, you click on the plus sign below. Here you click on post, and then you write whatever you wish to post on your Instagram, or you can add a photo, continue, allow full access, choose your picture, click done, and then you can write anything here you wish to write, but let's say, hey. After you type everything you want to type, you click on next, which is at the top right. You can either publish now, schedule for later, or save as draft. For you to schedule, you click on schedule for later. You choose the date and time you wish to schedule for. After that, you click on done, and then you click on schedule. After this, your post will be posted at the scheduled time you selected. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.